Hi, my name is Uwe. I'm responsible for the trainings in the METABO Academy.
Hello, my name is Uwe too. I am the plumber.
And today we want to show you first to clean a pipe, afterwards we control the pipe, and then we install a T-fitting. As you know, METABO, it's a part of the CAS system. We are now 70 brands and more than 160 tools, and that's all with one battery. Today we work with our partner ROTHENBERGER. ROTHENBERGER, it's a part of the CAS system, and Uwe, now you start with the ROTHENBERGER battery, and that's our first working step. So now the pipe is clean. We have to control now with the camera the pipe. Perfect, Uwe, it looks great. Now we go forward for the next step to install the T-fitting. Before we install the T-fitting, Uwe have to close the main tab, and then you start to cut the pipe. We remove now a piece of the water pipe, and Uwe will start to install the T-fitting. To press the T-fitting together, we use the ROTHENBERGER press. Now you have seen how perfectly the CAS tools work together. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.